Ever watch a movie where a character effortlessly conjures up intricate designs with a few clicks and swipes? Maybe it's Tony Stark in his Iron Man suit, whipping up a new repulsor ray on the fly. Or perhaps it's a scene from a futuristic architectural firm, where buildings rise and morph at the touch of a digital pen. Well, those days of design magic aren't just for the silver screen anymore. Today, we're diving into the world of Grasshopper, a visual programming language that lets you build complex 3D models with surprising ease. If you're an architect, designer, engineer, or just someone who loves to tinker and create, then Grasshopper might be your gateway to becoming a real-life design hero. But before you jump in and start sculpting digital masterpieces, there's one crucial question. Does Grasshopper charge by the minute? This might seem like a simple inquiry, but for anyone new to the software, it's a valid concern, especially when compared to traditional 3D modeling programs that often come with hefty price tags or monthly subscriptions. So, let's break down exactly how Grasshopper handles its pricing structure. Grasshopper, the friendly neighborhood plugin. First things first, Grasshopper isn't a standalone program. It's actually a plugin specifically designed to work with Rhino 3D, a powerful software used for 3D modeling, animation, and design. Think of Rhino as your high-tech sculpting studio, and Grasshopper as the set of magical tools that unlock its full potential. Here's the good news. If you already own Rhino, then Grasshopper comes completely free as part of the package. That's right, you get access to this incredible design tool without any additional cost. This makes Grasshopper incredibly accessible, especially for students, hobbyists, and anyone who wants to experiment with visual programming without breaking the bank. The power of open source. Part of Grasshopper's appeal lies in its open source nature. This means the core functionality is freely available for anyone to use and modify. A passionate developer community constantly creates new components and libraries that extend Grasshopper's capabilities in exciting ways. These additional components, often called Grasshopper definitions, can be downloaded for free from various online repositories. While some creators might offer premium definitions with advanced features, the vast majority are available at no cost. This open-source environment fosters collaboration and innovation. With a little searching, you can find Grasshopper definitions for almost anything you can imagine, from parametric furniture design to complex simulations. What about cloud-based solutions? While the core Grasshopper experience is free, there are some cloud-based solutions that offer different pricing models. These platforms typically provide access to Rhino and Grasshopper through a web browser, eliminating the need for a powerful computer or software installation. Cloud-based solutions can be great for people who don't have access to high-end hardware or simply prefer the flexibility of working from anywhere. However, these services often come with monthly subscriptions, so it's important to compare features and pricing before committing. The true cost of Grasshopper. So, while Grasshopper itself doesn't charge by the minute, there are a few potential costs to consider. Rhino 3D license. As mentioned earlier, Grasshopper is a plugin for Rhino. Rhino itself has various licensing options, ranging from student discounts to professional subscriptions. The cost will depend on how you plan to use the software. Hardware. Grasshopper can be quite resource-intensive, especially when working with complex models. If you're planning to push the boundaries of design, consider investing in a computer with a powerful graphics card and processor. Time investment. Although Grasshopper boasts a user-friendly interface, there's still a learning curve involved. Mastering the software takes time and dedication. There are plenty of tutorials and resources available online, but be prepared to put in some effort to unlock Grasshopper's full potential. Beyond the price tag. Ultimately, the true cost of Grasshopper goes beyond dollars and cents. It's an investment in your design skills and creative potential. The ability to build complex models with visual programming opens doors to entirely new workflows and design possibilities. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a curious beginner, Grasshopper offers a unique way to approach design. With its free core functionality and vibrant online community, the barrier to entry is lower than ever. So, if you're ready to unleash your inner design hero and explore the world of parametric modeling, Grasshopper is definitely worth checking out. Remember, the only real cost might be the countless hours you'll spend getting lost in the joy of creation.